Just because you've missed a bug doesn't mean you're not a star. No! Just because you're out of luck doesn't mean you won't go far. Just because this spring was crazy doesn't mean you lost your cool. Just because you're being lazy doesn't mean you broke the rule. Just because you're a newbie, does that mean you won't excel? And just because it's awkward now, does that mean it won't go well? Just because the code is messy doesn't mean it can't be hard. No! Just because the launch was stressed, it doesn't mean it fell apart. Just because you took a break doesn't mean you're falling back. Just because you failed just once doesn't mean you're off the track. Just because you spoke your mind doesn't mean you crossed the line. No! Just because you took days off doesn't mean you're out of grind. Just because you skipped the meeting, does that mean you're not committed? Deadline is started and tasks are clear, the schedule stays well fitted. Just because you stood your ground doesn't mean you're hard to teach. Just because you know your worth doesn't mean you're overreach. Just because you burn out once doesn't mean you're bound to break. Just because you change your path doesn't mean it's a mistake. Just because you spoke your mind doesn't mean you're disrespected. Stand your ground and keep it real and still stay well connected. Just cause you put your heart into it doesn't mean you'll burn out fast. Just because you took that challenge, that will make the fire last. Just because you move in silence doesn't mean there's no impact. Every code and every hack leaves a long-lasting effect. Just because the build has failed doesn't mean your code's unwise. Why is that? Why? Because each new sprint is a fresh restart. Each day, a new surprise.